Hi everybody, those of you new to the channel, I'm Teresa Perrin and I want to discuss Carvana with you. You probably noticed the huge move that I had to the upside today. Well guys, it now stands at a 65% reported short interest. So again, that's what's reported. It doesn't include people that don't have to report it, or of course if there's naked shorts involved, which guessing from it falling from like $390 something all the way down to a low of 4 before this bounce that it's had recently up to 10, I'd guess there's probably a lot of that going on. But anyways, that's speculation, so we won't go there. Let's get started. Please remember, nothing I say is financial advice. Always do your own DD, and if you could smash that like button for me, I'd greatly appreciate it. All right, so Carvana was up $2.23 today, or 28.7%. The volume was 108.22 million, which is almost 4 times its normal volume of 26.3 million. The free float is 95.52 million shares, according to Webull. Right now, you can see that it is showing a short and medium term strong bullish signal with a move to the upside. We are still showing a downtrend for the long term, as we have been in a downtrend for many months. There are currently no bearish signals and 4 bullish signals being reported. Analysts give this a hold rating with over 27 analysts that actually rank it. It has a low price target of $1 with a high of $45. And that $1 makes the average much lower probably than what it normally would without that, but $11.25. If you actually go back and read that article where the analyst gives it a $1 price target, he was clearly very bearish because he wanted to give it 10 cents. Not joking. Anyways, you can see it's making a nice consolidated move right now towards the end of the day, and I do expect that tomorrow it tries to push higher. However, I wouldn't be surprised if it pulls back a little bit further first, because it is still slightly overbought. So I would expect to see potentially some cooling off. But guys, this is hot, and this is on a lot of people's radar because of the significant amount of short interest. Today, even with that huge move to the upside, 58% of all trades were in the dark pool. The short interest right now reported is 65.43%, according to Fintel, with 2.67 days to cover. I'm sorry if you hear my stomach growling. I am starving for dinner, but I want to get this done. All right. So the short shares available right now stand at 150,000 shares, and during the day today, there was actually a time when they used them all up. I would not be surprised if that happens again tomorrow. They are clearly making their best effort to keep this from losing total control. Guys, I think they're about to lose it, and things are going to get very interesting. If you follow me, I've been talking about this stock since it was down in the $4 or $5 range. I have actually bought it twice, once low and once slightly higher, for an average of $6. And you know, it is looking very nice in my portfolio at the moment. The cost to borrow is 9.9%, which I find extremely low given the current situation. It's almost as if they're encouraging people to short this. All right, the short volume ratio is 56.3% today, and that is the shares that are shorted in the dark pool. On average, over the past couple of weeks, it has been between 47.9 and 62.31%. Clearly, guys, they know that they're really backed into a corner at this point, I would say. And as of the 13th, which is the last day that we have for this 2-week cycle of failure to delivers, we are showing only 10,612 failure to delivers. Take that for what it's worth. This play does have options, so they are able to hide some of it there. The options are very expensive and have been for some time on this. So keep that in mind as well. Your best bet may be to go with shares. I'm not going to tell you Whether to buy, sell, or hold, that's up to you. But I will tell you that that option chain is very, very pricey. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this information helpful, and I am looking forward to see what Carvana does the rest of the week. Please, please, please do not chase. Always wait for a pullback. All right, thank you.